no matter how much effort you put into your styling, എന്തോ ഒരു മിസ്സിംഗ് ഫീൽ ചെയ്യാറില്ലേ? സംടൈം ഔട്ട്ഫിറ്റ് ഫീൽ സോ ബേസിക്. ഇതിന് കാരണം നമ്മൾ പോലും ശ്രദ്ധിക്കാത്ത വളരെ സിമ്പിൾ ആയിട്ടുള്ള മിസ്റ്റേക്സ് ആയിരിക്കും. So in this video we're going to discuss 5 simple mistakes while styling and how we fix it. Hey beautiful ladies, welcome to my YouTube channel. Since it's my first video, I'm Safida. I'm a mom of pharmacist living in UAE. I'm basically from Malappuram. Mostly in the videos and friends and family. So, time if you are into modest fashion and lifestyle, you are in the right place. So keep watching. Let's get into the video. First mistake, ignoring proportion. Sometimes it's not clothes are bad. We wear a problem, like ignoring proportions. Imagine an oversized shirt, pair it up with a loose pant. There is no structure, no shape, or a boxy feeling. Always remember, one loose, pair it with a one fitted one. Like we have an oversized shirt, choose always choose for a fitted pants. It gives more structured feel. Or you're choosing both oversized one, tuck in. If you're not comfortable with tucking in completely, go for a French tuck or front side matram tuck here. Other waistline definition kodukku. The same with the skirt also. If you are pairing with a loose shirt with a loose skirt, always tucking in. This gives you more polished look. So the second mistake is mixing too many prints. Prints are beautiful, but one outfit then oruvadu prints varumbo it feels clumsy, right? Look at this outfit. It looks so loud and confusing. So next time when print choose always remember, blend a print with a plain. One outfit or print choose they'll make it as a highlight piece and others as supporting elements. One strong piece is always needed for making statement look. So don't mix too many prints in one outfit. So the third mistake is over-accessorizing. Of course we need accessories to complete a look. പക്ഷേ ഒരൊറ്റ ഔട്ട്ഫിറ്റിൽ ഒരുപാട് accessories യൂസ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ it feel like overdone. Look at this image, you can feel it, right? Heavy neck pieces, bangles, it feel crowded. So accessories choose ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ always remember rule of 3. Maximum 3 accessories per outfit and choose according to the occasion. For a party you are wearing a statement earring, skip the necklace. For a casual look, go for a simple jewelry like a watch, a simple pendant chain and some rings. So the fourth mistake is mismatching footwear. നമ്മൾ എത്ര സ്റ്റൈലായി ഡ്രസ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് ഒരു കാഷ്വൽ ഫുട്വെയർ ആണ് അതിന് യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്നതെങ്കിൽ entire outfit going to affect. Look at this image, same outfit, different footwear. Or a small mistake but it make a big change. I'm not going to say ella outfit to match footwears vanam. If you are someone enjoying styling, you have a collection of pairs. Pair it wisely next year stepping out of your home. And the next mistake is overdressing and underdressing. Like, nammal oru kalyanathin pogumbo, you imagine wearing this for a wedding. It feels so uncomfortable and underdressed. If you are not into so much glittery and a party wear person, so go for a simple look like this, not this. Imagine നമ്മളൊരു ഫ്രണ്ട്സിന്റെ ഗ്യാതറിംഗിന് പോകുമ്പോൾ ഇതുപോലൊരു ഔട്ട്ഫിറ്റ് വിയർ ചെയ്യുന്നത് ഇറ്റ്സ് സോ ഓവർ ഡ്രസ്ഡ് ഫോർ ദാറ്റ് സിറ്റുവേഷൻ. അണ്ടർസ്റ്റാൻഡ് ദ വൈബ് ആൻഡ് ഡ്രസ് അപ്പ്. ആൻഡ് ദാറ്റ്സ് ഓൾ അബൌട്ട് ദ വീഡിയോ. ഇഫ് യു ആർ എൻജോയ് ഇറ്റ്, like, share, subscribe, comment your thoughts. See you with the next video. Till then, bye.